How to save your YouTube Shorts ideas as drafts right in application to get back to editing anytime. Let me show you. So open your YouTube application either on iPhone or Android device. Now tap on the plus icon to add a video. Start filming your video, or you can add video from your library. Tap on manage to get full access to your library. Select more media. Allow to select photos and videos. Now select something else. Allow. Add video. As you can see, it appends to your filmed video. Now tap on done. And now instead of tapping on this check mark, tap on the cross icon at the top left and tap on save and exit. Next, once again, tap on the plus icon, and now you can see additional icon here, which is named drafts. Tap on drafts. Now select your draft you wish to edit, and you can add filters, trim, add text, and so on, and even go back and continue filming or append videos from your library over here. That's it, guys. Hope this was helpful. Subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and be awesome.